Hi everyone, and the best text to video is vispunk.ai. Ask me why. No need, I'll just tell you. First, it's free. You don't need to use Discord. Simply go to the link in the description. Describe your prompt, choose the camera motion, and just let the magic happen. When you get your incredible video, just click on the image with the right button and download it for free. Trust me, you do not want to miss this. Just try it out, you will love it. Now, do like and subscribe and hit the notification button so that I can keep on bringing you the best free tools out there. Thanks for watching. Bye bye for now.